Mimi sina sauti katika hii Kenya.
So, Will, I told you that today is going to be an amazing day, an unforgettable day, a day you live to remember. And now first, let me show you first the overview of it.
Oh my God! No! Wewe umeleta nini? Wewe Supokot.
First, mnaweza tulia kidogo. Wacha kwanza ni appreciate, kwanza nimwambie jambo kitu moja kwanza. You know, we have been dating for long. Our relationship has been nice. Niko sure you enjoyed it, right? Sure. Yeah, it was nice. It was fun. And kila mtu alikuwa anaitamani. And I know unataka ikue milele na milele. Yeah? And now, today, I want to announce it officially. I want to paint it official. I want to make sure that everyone knows what is going on. Yeah? Yeah. Because I have something special for you. And now today I want to announce it officially that this our relationship is over, and thank you for your time.
Wakamwacha akiwa paralyzed.
That shows you should be proud of me.